topic is surveillance of identifying vehicles parked in a no parking. Illegal parking is a critical problem in large growing cities. Also, illegal parking has resulted in modern day problems like traffic congestion, air pollution, and public safety. Illegal on-street parking is one of the primary reasons why major city centers face progressively worsening traffic conditions. Traditionally, the detection of illegally parking is achieved through manual inspection and which requires considerable human effort from law enforcement and security personnel. Vehicle parking in a no parking area makes it difficult for vehicles to pass through the remaining road span, and it disturbs the normal flow of traffic. Our project is aimed at delivering a monitoring system that is capable of classifying whether the vehicle is parked in the parking lot or is parked in the no parking area. It is based on the real-time parking classification through surveillance camera videos. We collected a data set of 600 videos to train our model and give accurate prediction. With decreasing cost of high quality surveillance system, human activity detection and tracking has become increasingly practical. According to automated system have been designed for numerous detection tasks, but the task of detecting illegally parked vehicles has been left. Any data set that is appropriate for this project problem is unavailable on any of the platform. Therefore, we create our own data set by training the videos available on the YouTube and other online platform. Out of the models for vehicle detection and recognition we track, the basic step is every vehicle detection model is the extraction of frames from every videos and resizing all the frames to an equal size and passing them to the models. Creating objects for the models and loading weights to the model, and the final step is passing data for prediction where the model returns the class or label which is most similar to the input data of prediction. After a study of a great deal of models, we built the 3D CNN model, that is 3D convolutional neural network model for our project. For 3D CNN we have given is actually the volume of data. It's not the two-dimensional data, it's a three-dimensional data. The convolutional kernel, the filter, that will also be a 3D kernel. It won't be a 2D kernel as in the case of 2D CNN. There each feature map is a volume of data, and same for pooling. We perform a 3D pooling and goes the classification. We have considered 80% of data as a training data and 20% of a testing data. And we compile the model with the ADAM optimizer. ADAM was utilized as an advancement calculation since it is a far superior for calculation like ADA-GRAD and RMS-TOP. We have studied various models for usage of vehicle detection, recognition and identifying parked vehicles. And out of those models, we got the most 11 exactness for 3D CNN. We tried 2D CNN plus LSTM model, CNN plus RNN, and out of those models, we got the most elevated exactness for 3D CNN model. We are able to successfully detect illegally parked vehicles by accurately tracking all the vehicles in the scene. We can train the model on the GPU for more accuracy and deploy them in the drones for identification of vehicles parked in a no parking area.